Hey my beauties, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be all about how I pre-poo my hair. Now I don't think I've ever done a pre-poo on this channel for some reason, but I just really started getting into pre-poo this year. So I would normally pre-poo with a leave-in conditioner, and I've been pre-pooing lately with our leave-in conditioning milk. This is also a multi-use leave-in conditioner, and honey, can I tell you I love the pre-poo? I love it for pre-poo. I also love to do DIY pre-poos as well, like with aloe vera gel and oil, but this time I'm going to be showing you guys a little bit more of our leave-in conditioning milk, and I'm going to show you guys how I use this to pre-poo. Now I did a quick video on Instagram, so that's why you see I have two twists here. So I did a quick IGTV video as a teaser, but I am going to be showing you the full routine here on YouTube. So without further ado, let's get into this video. And before we go anywhere, hit the subscribe button. If you want to check out the rest of our J.Antoinette products that I'll be using in this video, I will post the link down below. It's J.Antoinette1927.com for all of you guys that want to know. But definitely give me a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and hit the subscribe button, boo-boo. All right, I have to put that disclaimer in there. But other than that, let's get into this video.
All right, so we are starting off on some dirty hair. I had my hair in some braids and they were braided for about 4 weeks. I wanted to go longer, but honey, those braids were taking my edges out. So I'm just following the original pattern of the braid, which makes this process so much easier. So I'm going to be sectioning off my hair. I am going to start with my J.Antoinette, my spray bottle, and it's filled with water. So I'm just going to saturate my hair with some water. I have low porosity hair, so if you fill your bottle up with warm water, it'll help to open up the cuticles and just make the process, this pre-poo process so much more easier. So I'm going to saturate my hair with water, finger detangle, and then I am going to add our J.Antoinette leave-in conditioner, the conditioning milk. And just look how the hair glides. Look how the milk glides through the hair. I am going to use my J.Antoinette detangling brush to really detangle. I love this brush simply because it stretches the hair and it does a great job at detangling, and it doesn't rip out the hair as much as I experience shedding and tearing and breaking with my denim brush. So what I normally do is detangle with the detangler first, and then I use the denim brush to define my curls. So that is the process that I'm going to be doing on just my entire head. I'm going to wet with water. I'm going to add the conditioning milk, and then I am going to detangle and twist. At the end, I'm going to apply the oil to my scalp, and I'm going to let it sit for a few minutes, and then I'm going to wash it out. So always remember the key, especially in the front of my hair. I have 4A hair. Lift the cuticles. Spray your hair with warm water if you have low porosity hair, so that conditioner can really start to get into the hair strands, start to work its magic, start to soften and detangle. It makes the process so much easier. Let me tell you something. I don't know what took me so long to start pre-pooing, honey, but I'm glad I did. I have like my shedding is way less than it used to be. And it makes my wash day go much smoother. So a lot of people, they don't want an extra routine in their wash day, but I'm very particular about my hair's health. And so because I've had so much shedding in the past, I do what I can to make sure I reduce that shedding. So as you can see, finger detangle, add the conditioning milk, detangle with the J.Antoinette detangler, and then I just like to define my curls with the denim brush. I still love my denim brush. I love it for defining my curls, especially if I'm going to do a twist out. Love it, honey. All right, so I will catch y'all at the end of the video. Oh, and another important thing I wanted to add that I forgot to mention was that make sure when you're pre-pooing, you pay attention to the scalp. A lot of times that's where we have a lot of tangling, especially for me. My hair was braided for 4 weeks. And as you can see, like when I separate my hair, you can see like where the knots were or where the base of the braid was. There's a lot of dirt there. So it's very important for me to clarify my hair, especially in the scalp area where the dead hair builds up. It's very important when you're pre-pooing, especially after braids, to detangle that area very well. Because, honey, if you don't detangle that area very well, honey, and you go and take a shower, oh, honey, I feel so sorry for you. Your hair will be a hot, matted mess. And trust me, I know because I've done that. And that was the big game changer for me when it came to pre-pooing. It was really just getting rid of all that dead hair, especially like if you don't want to pre-poo, if you don't have time to pre-poo every week or every time you wash your hair, at least do it every time you do you take down a protective style, especially like braids or twists or whatever. Make sure you get that dead hair out, because shampooing your hair, especially if you're using a clarifying shampoo, oh sweet girl, let me tell you something, you're gonna cry. Because what happens is when your hair is stripped from the shampoo, it makes it drier, makes the texture drier. And then you're mixing all kind of dead hair in that. So now when you're trying to detangle your hair afterwards, you made the situation worse because the dead hair mixed with the tangled hair, and it's just a hot mess. You just got a hot mess of a bunch of breakage and shedding, and you're gonna lose way more hair than you needed to. So I especially suggest pre-pooing when taking down your protective styles, when you've had a protective style in. And as you can see, I had some knots, so I'm making sure I finger detangle those knots first before I go in and start brushing, because I don't want the brush to rip my hair. So I'm just learning as I go. Trust me, y'all, I'm such a lazy natural, and so it has been a struggle for me to really deal with, in-depth routines with my hair. But as you can see, even on my edges, especially on this side, I had some shedding. Like, bro, the braids pull my edges out. I don't know why I did that. So I'm definitely now trying to rehab my edges to get them to grow back, as you can see right there. Yeah, so pray for your girl, okay? All right, ladies and gents, so here is the finished results. This is the amount of hair that shed in total, which is not a lot compared to how much my hair really sheds. It's really good. And now I'm going to finish it up with my J.Antoinette Moisture Repair Elixir. I am going to use this to just help lift up the dirt and the buildup off of my scalp, so that when I go into the shower, the shampoo will really help to cleanse the hair, but without stripping my scalp and without stripping my hair strands of the oils. All right, guys, so don't forget to subscribe, and if you like this video, comment below and let me know if you want me to do some DIYs. All right, this is the Premium Wash Day Bundle by J.Antoinette. Our Twist and Curl Souffle is actually on sale, guys. So if you are not new to my channel, or even if you are new, I have a hair care line and it's called J.Antoinette 1927, and the souffle is on sale. It's 50% off, so you can get it for $7.50. All right, and you can use the souffle as well to pre-poo. All of our products are multi-use. All right, guys, I love y'all, and I will talk to y'all later. Bye.